Using a bridge card on Doordash is very easy to do. Today I'm gonna show you how to do it. Some food delivery apps might not accept prepaid cards directly due to certain restrictions or verification requirements. You can contact Doordash support or check their website for accepted payment methods to clarify. If Doordash doesn't directly accept bridge cards, explore potential workarounds, like linking a bank account or debit card connected to your bridge card. Some programs allow linking other accounts for online transactions. Check your bridge card program details for compatible options. Using a gift card. Consider purchasing a Doordash gift card with your bridge card if the program allows such transactions. Never share your bridge card PIN or login details with anyone, including app platforms. Be cautious of phishing scams and only use official channels for transactions. Food delivery apps often charge service fees and potentially additional delivery charges. Factor these costs into your budget when using your bridge card to ensure you stay within your limits. Using food delivery services can be convenient, but remember to practice responsible spending and stay mindful of your budget.